Today's video we are going to discussing about create an ad account and ad set and add people to manage your ad accounts, guys. Hi guys, welcome to free digital marketing course training, and this is Chandu. You are watching Digital Chandu channel, guys. And in previous video we have successfully completed how to add a page in your Facebook business manager account, guys. If you people miss those videos, simply go to my Digital Chandu channel and go to videos and watch it there, guys. If without watching that video you can't able to understand and you can't able to continue this video, so my kind request is go and watch previous video and come back to this video, guys. And in today's video we are going to discussing about create an ad account and ad set and add people to manage your ad accounts, guys. First we are going to create ad account in our business manager account, guys. In here you can see I am in business manager account. We have successfully added in page, guys. Now we are going to add ad account. Click on this button and here it will ask you three options, guys. One is add ad account, and second one is request access, and third one is create ad account, guys. See, in this session don't confuse, guys. Whenever you click on add account, it simply asks you add account id, guys. So we don't have still add account now, so because the reason we don't want to click this option, guys. Who have already add account in previous in other personal accounts, at that time simply add account in this account also. You can manage together those people who are giving access to you, those people, and you those two you people can access this add account, guys, whenever you use this particular option. Yeah, whenever you send a request to another person who you are looking for another person who are managing everything or your ad account, at that time you can use this particular request access button. See, now we are in fresh new we are going to create a new account. So because the reason we can use this particular one, create ad account. Click on this one and it will show you account name, guys. So here you can you need to enter, you need to create one unique name for your business, guys, to your ad account. Why? Because after, see, this is the one ad account, guys. In business manager account we can add number of ad accounts in under business manager account. So this is the one account, guys. So now we don't have to access to create another ad account. After few days, after spending some amount in this particular ad account, we get access to another ad accounts also. Facebook will give us another another access ad accounts to us. Why? Because we are running constantly with Facebook. Facebook will consider we are unique and we are running business to Facebook. At that time only we get access ad accounts from Facebook. First we have to utilize this particular one with uh, particular guides and policies, guys. Why? Because whenever you overcome guidelines and Facebook policies, at that time our ad account got blocked, our ad account got banned. Whenever our ad account got banned, at that time we can't able to run ads through this complete Facebook profile account, guys. So please take care of everything. Don't misuse this ad account. So please give one name here. I am going to give Digital Chandu YouTube. And here one thing I would like to tell you means time zone and currency, guys. See, if wherever you are located in, please give that particular time zone and that particular currency, guys. And my suggestion here is who are located in India, those people definitely will pay GST to government, guys. At that time Facebook will detect some x amount from your budget. So if you don't want to pay GST to government, at that time simply use American US dollars, guys. At that time you don't want to pay any GST to government and pay any GST to any Facebook, guys. So because the reason I am going to use this one, if you don't want to pay GST at that time, go and proceed same USD and American Los Angeles. Okay, and then after complete these three empty boxes, simply click next, guys. Here you can see it asks you correctly setting. This is the important after creating this particular ad account, it will ask you this is for you or this is for your other client. It will ask you this is for myself. I also, because the reason I'm selecting this option, if you are managing this ad account to your clients, at that time simply click on this one, and you need to fill this one also. Why? Because you are clicking looking to create ads for your client. At that time those people have business ID. Business ID means here it will wait a second, I will show you where you can get business ID. Here you can see this is the business ID, guys. This is business ID. This is the one of the ID. You need to enter it here. So my this is for myself, so I'm going to clicking this option and create. Okay, now I have successfully created ad account, and here you can see it will ask to me permissions and roles and responsibilities permissions, guys. So now we are going to give permissions to us. This is complete access to myself only. So because the reason I am managing complete manage ad account, whenever clicking complete manage account, it these two options also got enabled, guys. Whenever you off this option, if you want to give only this particular view performance option, simply click on it. These two options got turned off only. Whenever you off this one, if you want to give access to complete manage campaigns, at that time simply click on this option, guys. If you want to create complete give access to this particular ad account, please click on this one and click on this one. After choosing one people and who are managing this particular ad account, choose these options, choose these features. After then assign roles and responsibilities to this particular person who are managing complete our ad account. After then assign. Here you can see. Ooh, wait a second, I don't know, something went wrong. It's unexpectedly logged out. We have successfully create ad account, guys. Don't worry about it.